Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Gusto for employee insurance eligibility checks step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Gusto website. Once on the home page, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to access your account. Enter your email and password in the provided fields. Click the Sign In button to log into your Gusto account. On your dashboard, look for the Employees tab. Click on the Employees tab to view the list of your employees. Select the employee for whom you want to check insurance eligibility. Scroll down to find the Insurance section in their profile. Click on the Insurance section to view details about their eligibility. For a new employee, click on the Add Employee button if needed. Enter the required information in the new employee form. Ensure to include details relevant to insurance eligibility. Once completed, click the Save button to confirm the new employee's information. Return to the employee's profile to review their eligibility status. Check the displayed eligibility criteria for health insurance. If additional checks are necessary, follow the prompts to perform those checks. Review the results provided by Gusto regarding insurance options. If needed, you can print or export this information for your records. Finally, log out of your Gusto account when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.